getting starter locks. This video probably won't be posted until weeks or months later, but that's not the point. My hair is already washed. Is it washed? Is detangled? As a college student, I don't have much time to do my hair, so getting starter locks will give more time. Give me more time back. So we're headed in right now. I'm excited. My hair is, like I said, here. So, let's get started. Okay, so here is the finished look. I think they look so pretty. I'm going to insert some pictures so you can see them. How the size look. I don't know how many there are, but I will definitely count them sometime. I'm not gonna count them now. I'm just enjoying them here, and they don't look like short at all. I actually don't really know how long my hair was at the beginning, but she did trim off the little frizzy parts at the end, so that gave me a bit of a trim, about 2 inches, a 2-inch trim. So I think now my hair might be 12 inches. I don't know. I can't like see anything because my glasses are so dark. He's so swingy. He's so pretty. Oh, also my hair is like not black. It's like a brownish reddish. I'm not ever going to dye my hair, so you're definitely gonna see that you're definitely gonna see the brownish reddish in my hair eventually. You don't really see it now. I don't know if you can, maybe you can spot it out. I do have some grays in there, but yeah. I'm just gonna enjoy the process. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you would like, and click the notification button if you want to be a part of the notification gang. And I will be uploading more videos after this. Sorry this post is so late, but you know, school is rough. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Can we make